How to download GrubHubs. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily install this application. First of all, open Play Store. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see the search icon. Tap on this search icon. Now, on the top at the search bar, search for GrubHubs. So it will pop up in the first. Now, simply tap on GrubHub. So make sure that this is the right application. You can verify it by seeing this logo and also verify by seeing this company's name, GrubHubs. Now simply tap on install. So it will take some time. What is GrubHub? GrubHub is a grocery like application where you can even order foods and even other groceries. So there are different associations located with it. So you can order from anywhere from here. So it will take some time and you'll be done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.